The Freedmen's Bureau was established near the end of the American Civil War to help formerly enslaved people transition from slavery to citizenship, providing food, housing, education, and medical care. Crucial records in the Freedmen's Bureau include labor contracts, rations, apprenticeships, letters, marriage records, local censuses, and narrative reports. These records provide incredible information that can help descendants of previously enslaved people in the United States make additional discoveries about their families by offering a path to trace ancestors prior to 1870. For many freedmen and women, these records were the first time they were listed by name in official documents. You can read firsthand accounts of living and learning conditions, letters of separated family members looking to reunite, and petitions for help establishing new schools, improving living conditions, and protection from violence.